welcome to a brand new episode of Weekend Hour. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. देखिए देखते देखते लाइफ का एक और हफ्ता निकल गया. But the good thing is that life is good and आने वाला हफ्ता has always been better than पिछला वाला हफ्ता. And I think ऐसे ही लाइफ चलती रहे तो there will be no complaints. But अगर आप पिछले वाले कुछ हफ्तों में बिजी थे, you missed out all the action that happened in the UAE, then you're watching the right show, क्योंकि ये सब चीजों की खबर रखना हमारा काम है. आपको बताएं, एक बढ़िया सा कॉन्सर्ट हुआ था कुछ समय पहले. It's called Unwired, and इस कॉन्सर्ट में 8 talented singers came together on one stage. We were there, and this is what happened. Unwired in Dubai was a unique event that brought down 8 popular Indian pop stars on stage for a fantastic night of music. These 8 talented artists and a brilliant band wowed the crowd that clapped, sang and even danced to every song that was being sung through the night.
Concert is very close to me. It is a team event where there is a complete exposure and portrayal of individualistic talent. This is going to be a game changer for Dubai in itself, because this is, according to me, the first unplugged or unwired in Dubai concert. Where music is, all the songs that you've heard before is going to sound completely different. ये हाल बेहुदा है, किस मोड़ में खुदा है, क्या खाक दोस्ती है, दफ्तर की नौकरी है, करने को दिल नहीं है मगर करे जाओ, लो चाहे लो चाहे लो चाहे उल्फत.
And yeah, Dubai has always been a pleasure, and it's been always a great time performing here for all you guys. Music, I don't think requires any specific people per se. If the music is good, people will like it, no matter where they're from.
This is actually the 6th or the 7th time I'm here this year, so I think Dubai has been very lucky for me, and it's almost like second home actually. I've been coming here since I was very little. We're all very excited. I think the entire artist lineup, I'm really lucky to be able to sing with them.
तू ही ये मुझको बता दे, चाहूँ मैं आना, अपनी तो दिल का बता दे, चाहूँ मैं आना. मेरे लिए आशिकी 2 में गाना वाज अ वेरी बिग थिंग, और जब वो गाना बाहर आया तो एक्चुअली नॉमिनेशंस मिल गए, अवार्ड्स भी मिल गए, बहुत सारा प्यार मिला.
Well, the journey has been fantastic. कहते हैं कि destination से ज़्यादा important journey होती है, and it has been really very beautiful. मुझे बहुत अच्छे गाने गाने को मिले हैं. I've met such nice people in the music industry. It's my 3rd or 4th trip in this year, and the audience is amazing. They love music, and I feel that when I'm singing live to them. हीर हीर ना खोड़ियो मैं ते साहिबा होई, कोड़ी लेके आवे न जाए.
The band is amazing and they've just changed all the arrangements and I just feel it's amazing. It really is. I used to sing in a rock band in Delhi, but we were singing English. So I remember just one fine day, randomly Ehsan called me and he said, "Hey, do you sing in Hindi?"
Bollywood has just happened to me by chance over the last 4 years, but I'm predominantly a jazz singer. I can't even remember, but I think someone just randomly called me and said, "Can you try singing this song?" And I went and sang it. I think it was Tu Mera Hero.
On the whole, it was a great evening, and the young and rising singers of Indian music industry put up a great show together. It's time for us to take a short break. Break के बाद जब हम वापस आएंगे तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा एक यूनिक बुटीक के बारे में. This is the boutique that takes care of your finances.